Hello, I'm Jen, and this is your Daily Makeup Minute for April 9th, 2018. Launching today, the collab between Morphe and Laura Lee, 11 brushes all curated by the beauty guru, including one brand new brush developed just for her. It's the one in the photo. Check the site for more. Now onto the Smashbox site, the Petal Metal Collection, the brainchild of the company and VladaMUA, shimmer drops, highlighter, eyeliner, and shadow, and even Swarovski eyeliner jewels. Some would say fine lines are only good when it comes to eyebrow pencils, and JCat Pro-Cision Micro Slim Brow Pencils do not disappoint, according to them, in 6 different shades now on their site. Makeup artist Violette has developed a collection with Estee Lauder called Poppy Sauvage. The Karity We Love Nudes lip lock is coming very soon, they promise. Beauty Blender has issued this cute BFF set, now available on beautyblender.com, and Sleek Makeup introduces its new Copperplate Highlighter Palette, so the glow goes and goes. That's it for now. We'll see you here same time tomorrow. Look for Makeup Minute extras on my Instagram, and don't forget our full-length weekly newscast, What's Up in Makeup, every Sunday morning on YouTube.